हाय एवरीवन, आज के इस लेसन में हम सीखने वाले हैं इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. An interrogative sentence is used to ask a question. It is a sentence in which we are asking about something. It has a question mark at the end of the sentence. Whenever we have to ask about something, we use interrogative sentence. Examples of interrogative sentence. What kind of person you are? Where do you play? Which bicycle is yours? Who is responsible for all of this trouble? To whom I have to blame for all this? Why are you not studying in our academy? Whose pants are these? तो दोस्तों, ये था आज का हमारा लेसन. उम्मीद आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. आपसे मिलेंगे अगली नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए